Okay, so namaskar everyone, and today, I'm back again here, and this is Cambridge International AS and A level. This is like Feb and March 2024. So this question, and this is from physics. So this was interesting, so I just picked out this one. See here, a car of mass 1200 kg is traveling along a horizontal road. Now see here, this is the schematic diagram. Now this car, you can see the funniest person sitting there, right, writing and all. So now this car is traveling, and here's our question. So what is the acceleration of the car? Now the option A is 0.83 meter per second square. The option B is 1.2 meter per second square, and the option C is 2.5 meter per second square. Option D is 3.3 meter per second square. So which is the correct answer? How to know that which one is the correct answer, right? So now if you want to know the correct answer, first of all we have to understand this question, and then after solving this problem, then only we can come to the conclusion. Otherwise, like few of the people, like they used to do, like just like haphazardly they used to do, but that is not the way, right? So see here, now uh, now this question we have already. Now here two things are very much important. Now the driving force is this much newton, and now that is 4000 newton, and the total frictional force is 1000 newton, right? And now the direction of motion is this one, like in this direction. See the arrow, this is the forward arrow, this is the backward arrow, right? Now we need to pause for a while here. So now, yes, yes, done. So now see here, like there, like you can, this is the video, like you can reverse it back, right? So for the figure, if you want, then you can just reverse your video back, and then you can pause it there for a while to understand the figure. And now we are coming to directly to the solution. So see here, now what is here, like see, now here the mass of the car is 1200 kg, right? So in the schematic diagram we have seen the mass of the car is 1200 kg. Now the resultant force acting on the car. Now what is this resultant force? We all know that the summation of all the forces, like there is like some upward force, some downward force, right? So what is our resultant? That actually matters. So this is the resultant force. So now to calculate the resultant force, like there is a driving force, right? See, driving force, that was like when you will reverse the video back, then you will get to know from the figure that the driving force was like towards this direction, right? So suppose this is a positive direction, isn't it? So now this is from this direction. Now minus total frictional force. Now one thing we should know, that suppose this is the marker, and if it is moving in this, see this is the marker and this is moving. So now what this board is applying? The board is applying the force in the backward direction, right? In the backward direction means in this direction. And as it is a vector quantity, see here, it will be like when we do the resultant force, so this will be the minus sign, isn't it? So now see here, the driving force minus total frictional force. Okay, so why we are doing minus here? Because the total frictional force, if you go reverse the video, you can get that one. So it will be like the car direction is here and the frictional force is here, right? So this is the plus and this is minus. So from there we are taking this one. So okay, now, so that is why the resultant force acting on the car, okay, equals to driving force minus total frictional force. Whatever the total frictional force is, that we have to. Now see here, now F. So what is what will be our F? What will be the force? So so now this one, like from the figure, as we can see that the driving force is 4000. See, this is 4000, isn't it? And now the total frictional force, which is in the backward direction, and that is in this direction. So this is plus and this is minus. So that we have done. So 4000 minus 1000 equals to 3000 Newton, right? Now see here, force is given by, we all know that F is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. So now here acceleration equals to F by m, right? Equals to, what is F? So we have calculated the F value, and that is 3000 Newton. See, 3000 Newton divided by what is our mass. So our mass is given here. The mass of the car is 1200 kg. So this is 1200 kg, right? So F by M, so that is 2.5 meter per second square. 2.5 meter per second square, that is our answer. So the acceleration of the car A equals to 2.5 meter per second square. So our option, go back and then you will see. So our option is like C number. Okay, our option is C number, and that is 2.5 meter per second square is our option. This is the right answer. Okay, so we will have a pause for a while.